Hi everyone, Lulu here. Welcome back to our channel where creativity meets practicality. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and join our community of home design dreamers. Today we are diving into a visual feast of transformation with our latest video, 50 modern apartment design ideas to elevate your space. Are you ready to turn your apartment into a chic and stylish oasis? Whether you are working with a cozy studio or a spacious loft, we've curated 50 game-changing design ideas that will inspire you to infuse your personal heaven with elegance and functionality. From minimalist marbles to bold statement pieces, we've got you covered. So grab a comfy seat and let's embark on this journey together. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with an arsenal of tips and tricks to revamp your space into a place you love calling home. But before we start, remember, if you love what you see, give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more budget-friendly home decor ideas. Let's make your living space a dream come true together. Modern apartment design has the transformative power to elevate living spaces from ordinary to spectacular. By integrating contemporary design elements, one can create an environment that not only enhances aesthetics but also improves the overall lifestyle. Modern apartment design is characterized by clean lines, minimalist decor, and functional furniture that make the most of available space. This approach prioritizes comfort and style, ensuring that every inch of the apartment is both beautiful and practical. Incorporating modern design elements can significantly impact how a space is perceived and utilized. Elements such as open floor plans, natural light, and smart storage solutions contribute to a more spacious and inviting atmosphere. The use of neutral color palettes along with strategic pops of color adds to the sophistication and elegance of modern apartment. Additionally, modern design often includes the latest in technology and sustainable materials, reflecting a commitment to both innovation and environmental responsibility. Understanding the importance of modern apartment design is crucial for those looking to enhance their living spaces. Whether you're moving into a new apartment or renovating an existing one, embracing modern design principles can lead to a more enjoyable and aesthetically pleasing home. To provide further inspiration, this newly uploaded video on our YouTube channel showcases 50 exceptional modern apartment design ideas. This video highlights diverse styles and creative solutions that can be adapted to any apartment, offering practical tips and stunning visuals to guide your design journey. So, watch this video until the end. 50 new creative and trendy ideas are waiting for you to be discovered. Modern apartment design is rooted in a philosophy that values simplicity, functionality, and clean lines. This approach to interior design is characterized by its minimalistic aesthetic, which emphasizes decluttered spaces and a streamlined look. Modern design principles aim to create environments that are both visually pleasing and highly functional, ensuring that every element serves a purpose. One of the core principles of modern apartment design is the use of open floor plans. These layouts eliminate unnecessary walls, fostering a sense of spaciousness and fluidity throughout the living area. This openness not only enhances the visual appeal of a space, but also promotes better airflow and natural light distribution, which can significantly impact the overall ambience of an apartment. Another essential aspect of modern design is the integration of natural materials and neutral color palette. Materials such as wood, stone, and metal are often employed to create a harmonious blend of textures, adding depth and interest to the space without overwhelming the senses. Neutral colors like white, gray, and beige form the foundation of modern interiors, allowing for the addition of bold accents or statement pieces that bring personality to the apartment. Functionality is at the heart of modern apartment design, where every piece of furniture and decor is chosen not only for its aesthetic value, but also for its practicality. Multifunctional furniture such as sofa beds or extendable dining tables, it's commonly used to maximize space and utility in smaller apartments. This approach ensures that the living environment is as efficient as it is elegant. The impact of modern design on daily living and overall mood cannot be overstated. A well-designed modern apartment fosters a sense of calm and organization, which can lead to reduced stress and increased productivity. By prioritizing simplicity and functionality, modern apartment design creates a cohesive and inviting atmosphere that enhances the quality of life for its inhabitants. Upgrading apartment spaces to reflect modern design elements brings forth several common challenges that individuals must navigate. One of the primary obstacles is space constraints. Apartments often have limited square footage, making it difficult to incorporate all desired elements without the space feeling cluttered. To mitigate this, it is essential to focus on efficient space utilization, opting for furniture pieces that serve multiple purposes, such as sofa bed or a dining table that doubles as a workspace, can significantly enhance functionality without compromising on style. Budget limitation also pose a significant challenge in modernizing apartment spaces. High-end design elements and custom furniture can be expensive, often exceeding the budget of many apartment dwellers. However, there are various ways to achieve a modern aesthetic without breaking the bank. One approach is to prioritize key pieces that have the most visual impact and invest in those, while opting for more affordable options for less prominent items. Additionally, DIY project and upcycling existing furniture can provide a fresh, modern look at a fraction of the cost. Creative solution and smart planning are key for overcoming these challenges. Utilizing vertical space by incorporating shelves and wall-mounted storage can free up floor space and create a more open feel. Mirrors and light colored paint can also make a small space appear larger and brighter. By carefully selecting multifunctional furniture and strategically planning the layout, it is possible to transform even the smallest apartment into a stylish, modern living space that meets both aesthetic and practical needs. Minimalist design has gained prominence for its emphasis on simplicity and the less is more philosophy. This design trend centers around creating spaces that are both functional and aesthetically pleasing with a focus on eliminating unnecessary elements. One of the hallmarks of minimalist design is the use of neutral color palettes. Shades such as white, grays, and beige dominate the space, providing a calm and serene backdrop that can make any apartment feel more spacious and airy. Uncluttered spaces are another key feature of minimalist design. The goal is to create an environment free from distraction and excess item, which in turn foster a sense peace and order. To achieve this, consider adopting a one-in, one-out policy for belongings and focus on keeping surfaces clear. Storage solutions that are both stylish and practical, such as built-in shelving or concealed cabinets, can help maintain a tidy appearance. Scandinavian design has long been celebrated for its ability to create cozy and inviting living spaces. At its core, this style emphasizes simplicity, functionality, and a connection to nature. By incorporating neutral materials like colors and thoughtfully selected decor, you can transform your apartment into a serene retreat that embodies the essence of Scandinavian design. One of the hallmarks of Scandinavian design is the use of natural materials. Wood, in particular, plays a significant role in creating a warm and organic feel. Opt for wooden furniture pieces such as a rustic dining table or a sleek coffee table to infuse your space with a touch of nature. Complement this with accessories made from natural fibers like woolen throws, cotton, cushion, and youth rugs to add textures and coziness. Industrial design has become a popular trend in modern apartment decor, drawing significant inspiration from urban lofts and covered warehouses. This design style is characterized by its raw and unfinished aesthetic, which celebrates the beauty of natural materials and structural elements. Key characteristics of industrial design include exposed brick walls, metal fixtures, and the use of reclaimed wood of all which contribute to a rugged yet sophisticated urban vibe. One of the most striking features of industrial design is the use of exposed brick walls. These walls add textures and warmth to a space, providing a stark contrast to the smooth surfaces typically found in modern apartments. If your apartment lacks original brickwork, consider installing brick veneer panel to achieve a similar effect. Reclaimed wood is also a central element in industrial design, whether it's used for flooring, furniture, or accent walls. Reclaimed wood introduce a sense of history and character into your apartment. Look for pieces with a weathered finish. To add authenticity, consider incorporating a reclaimed wood dining table or a coffee table to create a focal point in your living area. Modern apartment design offers a multitude of benefits that can significantly enhance your living environment. One of the primary advantages is the improvement in functionality. Modern design principles emphasize the efficient use of space, ensuring that every square foot of your apartment serves a purpose. This can be particularly beneficial in smaller apartment where maximizing space is crucial. Fixtures like built-in storage solutions, multifunctional furniture, and open floor plans contribute to a more organized and practical living area. Another major benefit of modern apartment design is its aesthetic appeal. Clean line, neutral color palette, and the focus on natural light create a visually pleasing and serene atmosphere. Modern design often incorporates elements such as minimalistic furniture, sleek finishes, and contemporary art, which can transform your apartment into a stylish and inviting space. The emphasis on simplicity and elegance can also make your apartment feel more spacious and open. Engage with our design community. Engagement is a cornerstone of any thriving design community, and we invite you to be part of ours. By liking, sharing, and subscribing to our YouTube channel, you'll not only stay updated with fresh design inspiration, but also support a platform dedicated to the exchange of creative ideas. Your participation can significantly enhance your own design journey and help others in the community discover new perspectives and styles. We encourage you to share your own modern apartment design ideas and experiences in the comments section. Your insights could provide valuable inspiration to others who are looking to elevate their living spaces. Whether it's a clever storage solution, a unique color palette, or an innovative furniture arrangement, your contribution can spark new ideas and foster a spirit of collaboration. So don't hesitate to get involved. Like our videos if you find them helpful, share them with friends who might benefit, and subscribe to stay in the loop with the latest trends and tips. Most importantly, dive into the comments section and become an active member of our design community. Together, we can create a vibrant, supportive space where creativity flourishes and everyone can elevate their apartment design to new heights. And there you have it, design aficionados. We've journeyed through 50 breathtaking modern apartment design ideas that promise to elevate your space from ordinary to extraordinary. We hope you are buzzing with inspiration and ready to unleash your inner designer. Remember, your home is a reflection of your unique style and spirit. Don't be afraid to experiment and let your personality shine through every corner. And once again, if you love our ideas, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to share your transformation with us in the comments below. We can't wait to see them. Before you go, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already and turn on notification to stay updated with our latest design escapades. Trust us, you don't want to miss out on what's coming next. Thank you for watching and keep making your space a place where dreams come to life. Until next time, keep designing, keep dreaming, and above all, keep being the amazing you. Bye for now.